Hello students, I am here with Standard 5 Social Studies. Today we will learn Chapter 3 Weather and Climate. Let's continue the chapter. Students, see, this is the picture of major climatic zones of the world. World climate zones: ice cap climate, tundra climate, boreal climate, temperate climate, subtropical climate, tropical climate. Factors affecting climate's distance from the equator. Latitude. The sun is the main source of heat and light for living things. It gives off the same amount of heat at all times and places, but still all the places on the earth do not receive the same amount of heat. The amount of heat at a particular place depends on its latitude or the distance from the equator. Students, see how sun rays fall on earth. This is sun, this is earth, this is North Pole, this is South Pole. Look at the figure. The sun rays are parallel over the equator, covering a small area. So, in such places, the climate is very hot. As we move away from the equator, the slanting rays of the sun spread over a large area makes the climate less hot or cool. Heat zones. The torrid zone. The word torrid means extremely hot. The area of the both sides of the equator between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn is called the torrid zone or the tropical zone, as it lies near the equator and the sun rays falls directly on this area. This zone receives maximum heat. This intense heat results in lot of evaporation. When the evaporated moisture rises, it forms clouds and results in rain. Hence, this area is hot and humid throughout the year. Students, see, this is torrid zone. It's North Pole, South Pole. Frigid zone 66.5 degree north. Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree north. Equator torrid zone 0 degree. Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degree south. Frigid zone 66.5 degree south. The temperate zone. The areas lying between the Arctic Circle and the Tropic of Cancer in the northern hemisphere and the Antarctic Circle and the Tropic of Capricorn in the southern hemisphere are called the temperate zone. These areas receive slanting rays. Turn the page. Of the sun and hence have a mild climate, neither very hot nor very cold. Students, see temperate forest. The frigid zone. As we move away from the temperate zone towards the poles, the sun rays become more slanting. Hence, the areas near the poles receives very less heat from the sun. These regions are very cold and covered with snow all the year. These areas are called cold zones or frigid zones. Thank you, students.